In this video, I will be going over how to search for your research, which will include keywords, searching options, refining your results, and then going over the article details. So here we are in PsycInfo, and we are just going to search for a basic item, extroversion. And then without modifying our search field, we're just going to hit search. So that basic search just popped up around 13,000 results. You can limit that by searching for your keywords. So we're going to pop back over to the guide here and click on keywords. That'll bring you down to this area of the guide where it'll talk about how to use the different search fields such as author, keywords. You can search for year, publication, but for now we're just going to search for keywords. So we'll hit this select a field and scroll down to keywords. Click that. Then we're going to hit search. And you'll see that that search here cut it down almost 10,000 results, back down to 3,600. So how this works is when you click into an article, the search engine is looking for this. All these words that are listed in keywords when the article is published in the database. We'll see that extroversion is listed twice. So we're going to go back up to the top and click new search. So now I'm going to go over the different searching options. So if we click that in the guide, it'll bring you down to this page. And it will explain the use of truncators, quotation marks, and the near function. So truncators, you'll search for a version of the word that has different endings. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Oh, that didn't work. That's not what I wanted. There we go. So with just this section of the word here, it generates around 14,000 results. And that's searching for extroversion, extrovert, extroverted, and all the different variations of the word extrovert. So let's say instead of wanting to expand your search field by searching for different versions of the word, and you want to search for just a basic word, you can use quotation marks around the word, and it will search every article for that specific word. No variations, just the word. And that cut your results down to 353. This is useful for when you really want to pinpoint your research or when you're looking for something very specific. It will narrow down your search field to make it easier to find what you're looking for. The next search option is the near function. This looks for words that are close to one another. So let's say we want to look for extrovert that is within 5 words of the word well-being. And this will generate 9 results. Sometimes it can narrow down your search field, sometimes it can expand it, but this way you are finding the word extrovert within 5 words of the word well-being. So if we do near 10, this will look for the word extrovert within 10 words of the word well-being, and we generated 12 results. So now I'm going to go over how to refine your results. EBSCOhost has this nice way of being able to refine your results before your search, but you can also do it in the browser after you've done a search. So in this left-hand margin here, you'll see refine results. And as you scroll down, there are multiple different ways that you can refine your results. So here, we're going to limit our publication date within the last 10 years. You can use this little bar here, or you can just type it in. And you'll just hit enter, and that will search for everything with extroversion within the last 10 years, and it generated about 4,000 results. You can also limit your search to academic journals, dissertations, books. There's also these here that you can limit your search to. A common one that you'll use in research is the methodology. So oftentimes you'll want to look for an empirical study or quantitative study. You can also look for a lit review, and as you can see, there's multiple different ways you can limit your search.